It's like since morning, in fact, since last night itself, the only thought that has been going in my mind is the fact that basically I write these short Instagram posts, these different, very nice, interesting profiles when I come across. I like to write a short piece and post it on Instagram. But ever since I've taken up this new job, that new job is taking up all my time. So, uh, this is Instagram, I've not been able to do it. So, I've been just thinking, just as I want to continue with this YouTube journey no matter what. I think that Instagram also, because writing is also a kind of muscle. So the more we flex it, the better it gets. So I think I should just write these funny short pieces of my own, and from these little known incidents in my life, and just post it. Because no, I mean, chasing after people and asking them, tell me some funny incident in your life, and then I'll post it. It's it's too much. It's such a lost cause. But instead, from your own life, and Instagram is basically about your own self, right? It's like, yeah, I mean, there's a lot of self kottu, but it's dabba kottu we say na. But anyway, so I just had to say this. I think it's a good idea. I think I'll go ahead with it. But any kind of creativity kind of takes up so much of your time, and it's here, hats off, yeah, all these artists and all. I mean, these real these people, sometimes one needs to pursue one thing for it to do well. But yeah, the spirit is important. You just have a good spirit and anything can be possible. So really, people, so that's what that was. Like, my vlog is such that I like to discuss whatever has been playing on my mind. So this was something that was really, I think I'll go ahead and do it. So on that note, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.